Did you know that fatty liver disease could be silently killing you? This alarming truth might be tough to swallow, but it's you can't afford to ignore. Fatty liver disease is a silent menace that represents a significant health risk. It's defined by an excessive buildup of fat in the liver cells, which is often the result of unhealthy dietary habits and a sedentary lifestyle. The liver is an indispensable workhorse in our body, operating tirelessly to purify our blood. It's the organ responsible for producing bile, which aids in digestion. Moreover, it stores necessary nutrients our body needs. Despite its vital role, the liver rarely gets the attention it deserves until it's far too late. The insidious nature of fatty liver disease is what makes it a potent adversary. It can stealthily progress without manifesting any noticeable, making it difficult to detect. It's akin to a ticking time bomb that quietly wreaks havoc in your body before culminating into more serious health issues. These can range from fibrosis and cirrhosis to liver cancer, which are life-threatening conditions. Recognizing the root causes and consequences of fatty liver disease is paramount in safeguarding against its fatal repercussions. It's crucial that we understand the severity of this disease and take the necessary steps to prevent it from causing irreversible damage. So, stay tuned as we dive deep into the intricacies of this disease, shedding light on its causes, symptoms, and possible prevention measures. Understanding the causes and implications of fatty disease is crucial in preventing its deadly toll. Stick around as we delve into the science behind this silent killer. So, what exactly is fatty liver disease and how does it occur? To comprehend this, let's embark on a journey of understanding the functioning of our liver. Visualize it as an energetic metropolis, teeming with countless cells working diligently around the clock. These cells perform a myriad of different functions, more than 500 to be precise, all dedicated towards ensuring our body runs like a well-oiled machine. The liver is the master detoxifier, purifying our blood by filtering out harmful substances that can cause potential harm. It takes these substances, breaks them down, and eliminates them from our body. This not only protects our body from any potential harm, but also ensures that the nutrients we consume are effectively processed. Also, picture our liver as a robust chemical factory. It is involved in the production of essential proteins and hormones that are absolutely crucial for our well-being. From coagulation factors that prevent excessive bleeding to albumin that maintains fluid balance, the liver's role is indispensable. Furthermore, hormones like insulin are metabolized in the liver, playing a pivotal role in managing diabetes. Additionally, our liver is a massive warehouse, storing important nutrients and releasing them when we need energy. It's akin to a reservoir that holds onto the nutrients until they're needed. This ensures that our body is always equipped with the necessary energy to function efficiently. Now, envision this efficient city beginning to fill up with waste. In this context, fat. This is the origin of the problem. While our liver does contain a minor amount of fat, it becomes problematic when the fat content exceeds 5% of the liver's total weight, indicating the onset of fatty liver disease. When we consume calories in excess of our body's requirement, the surplus is stored as fat. This fat is then distributed to different parts of the body, including our liver. Regular overconsumption of high-calorie food and beverages, especially those rich in simple sugars and saturated fats, can lead to an overload of fat accumulation in the liver. Over time, this accumulated can trigger inflammation. This is akin to a fire wreaking havoc within the city, causing significant damage and chaos. The liver cells become stressed, inducing cell death and ultimately leading to scarring, a condition known as cirrhosis. This marks a stage where the liver can no longer function properly. A little fat in my liver, why should I be concerned? You may wonder. Our liver is a silent worker, and it doesn't complain until it's in a dire situation. You might not experience any discomfort until the disease has significantly progressed. And that's not all. A fatty liver can lead to severe complications like liver cancer and failure, which can be fatal. As you can see, our liver is a crucial organ with an indispensable role, and it's alarming how easily it can be damaged. If you are enjoying this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. You're probably wondering, what causes this fat accumulation in the liver? The reasons behind fatty liver disease are complex and varied. The main contributors include diet, alcohol consumption, genetic propensity, and various lifestyle choices. Let's first focus on diet. Consider your body as a bustling metropolis, and your liver as the waste management system. An overload of fatty and sugary foods can be equated with flooding the city with garbage. The liver, under such circumstances, grapples with processing this surplus, resulting in accumulation of fat within the liver cells. A diet rich in fat and sugar is therefore a prime suspect in the onset of fatty liver disease. Moving on to alcohol consumption. Alcohol is a toxin that needs to be filtered out by the liver. Overdrinking can trigger inflammation and cause harm to liver cells, engendering fat buildup. This condition is denoted as alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it signifies the initial stage of alcohol-induced liver disease. Genetics cannot be ignored while considering the causes. Certain genetic predispositions can heighten the chances of developing this disease. For example, a gene named PNPLA3 is associated with higher liver fat levels. Possession of this gene doesn't guarantee the onset of fatty liver disease, but it certainly escalates risk. Lastly, certain lifestyle choices can also contribute to the prevalence of fatty liver disease. Sedentary behavior, smoking, and elevated stress levels can all worsen the condition. These indirect factors influence liver health by contributing to obesity and metabolic syndrome, both of which are often linked to fatty liver disease. In conclusion, the root causes of fatty liver disease are a combination of changeable and unchangeable elements. While genetic disposition is beyond our control, we can indeed manage our diet, alcohol consumption, and lifestyle choices. It's clear that our choices greatly influence the health of our liver. But how does fatty liver disease tie in with obesity? It's an intriguing connection worth understanding. The liver, our metabolic maestro, orchestrates the breakdown, synthesis, and distribution of fats and sugars. When this maestro gets overwhelmed with fats, it fumbles. Its metabolic concert becomes cacophonous. A fatty liver disease-stricken liver is like a machine filled beyond capacity, clogged and ineffective. Thus, its crucial functions of metabolizing fats and sugars falter. This malfunction results in an overflow of fats and sugars, which are stored as surplus body fat, a significant cause of obesity. To delve deeper, with fatty liver disease, the liver becomes excessively fatty, impairing its functions. The repercussions are significant. The fat-laden liver can't break down and metabolize fats and sugars as it should. These unused calories get stored as fat, further contributing to obesity. The equation is simple. An inefficient liver amplifies fat accumulation in the body. But the complications don't end there. A fatty liver churns out an excess of certain proteins, causing detrimental inflammation in the body. This inflammation can trigger insulin resistance, where the body's cells fail to react appropriately to insulin. This condition can lead to even higher fat deposits in the body, particularly in the abdomen, intensifying obesity. This scenario creates a vicious cycle. An unhealthy liver fuels obesity, which in turn exacerbates fatty liver disease. It's a relentless loop of declining health. The good news is, breaking this cycle is possible. A healthy, functioning liver is like an ace up your sleeve in the battle against obesity. Therefore, preserving your liver health is crucial. It's not merely about keeping the liver functional, it's about empowering it to assist you in your fight against obesity. Taking care of your liver health can help break this cycle and provide a powerful tool in the battle against the bulge. Now that we understand the problem, what can we do about it? The answer is simple and full of hope. Fatty liver disease, though a worldwide concern, is both preventable and manageable. The foundation of its prevention and control is rooted in the adoption of healthier lifestyle choices. Firstly, let's consider our eating habits. A well-rounded diet abundant in fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains plays a crucial role in weight management and decreasing liver fat. It's pivotal to steer clear of heavily processed foods, drinks rich in sugar, and excessive alcohol consumption, as these contribute to liver fat accumulation. Furthermore, physical exercise is a significant factor. Engaging in regular exercise aids in burning triglycerides, thereby reducing liver fat. The intensity of the activity doesn't have to be exhausting. Moderate activities such as brisk walking or cycling can have a profound impact. Besides diet and exercise, regular medical checkups are essential for early and management of fatty liver disease. Routine blood work and liver function tests can reveal the disease in its initial phase, making it more manageable. Those overweight or living with diabetes, more frequent screenings might be recommended by your healthcare provider. In certain situations, medication might be necessary to manage underlying conditions contributing to the disease, such as high cholesterol or type 2 diabetes. However, we must always remember that medication is not a replacement for a healthy lifestyle. Lastly, never underestimate the role of adequate sleep. A growing body of research is revealing a link between sleep deprivation and liver fat accumulation. So ensure you're getting enough quality sleep each. Your liver, like every other organ in your body, depends on it. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your liver.